Kasi after nung sa watch nung sa water tower,
pangalan yan, Tropang Hiyas. Oh. Ang Tropang Hiyas.
nagilingan kami ay nahihiya palagi. Start streaming, but yeah, there are times when I attend meeting with my group, so there are times when I stream around 10 o'clock or even 11, something like that.
Well, that's
so
what
I guess it's more of
kailangan ko ng power bomb. Sa kumakoy, sige. Looks like kailangan ko ng power bomb. Let's search. May butas. I should have done this
7 p.m. something like that, Adam.
If you're listening, Adam, that's what Ott says.
Ano to? If you like games Shinobi do, anong platform yan, Reikyu? Anong platform?
It would be a different thing. Person fail, I'm just getting started. It's not game over just yet. For now. I was about
ganyan nga.
Ito! So I need to talk to it before I can use. Okay. Not the research facility keycard.
okay, here we go. There you go, Lou.
You came to see me again. I knew I could count on you, bro. What? The power star? Yeah, I got it right here. Yeah! Oh, I...
Flip the camera and... Hero mission. Okay. Back to the game. Oh my god.
Wow.
Dumaan lang pero patulog na. Hello, good.
Yorize!
Salamat sa pag-claim. Alam mo, mga boys set na. Mga boys set na yan ng mga boys.
Huwag lumapit ka!
Hindi ko kasi alam kung tatlong A eh. Ano ba mangyayari dito? Ano ba mangyayari pag tatlong A? A plus A plus A plus A. Ano ba yung mangyayari? Magiging...
Kung kailangan talaga dito yung pro controller.
Try to break character of Undertaker. Marami naman talagang gusto mag-break ng character sa kay Undertaker dati. Hindi lang naman si JBL yun eh. Si ano pa, actually nagpasimuno pa niyan si The Rock. Si The Rock pa talaga nag araw ng kagatan na, araw ng Pasko.
Araw ng kagatan, ha? Ang sagwa.
Araw ng kagatan na, ang daming mga zombie dito sa Raccoon City.
Isa pang save, in case na magbagal ako. Since nakatik ang timer, I have no choice but to escape. Want some explosion? I'll give you one. Happy gaming, Sir Dan. Thanks. Yun, nice.
Ng first aid spray, infinite ba?
Hanggang 3 lang kaya ng first aid box.
Oh. Ayun nga no, kasi dapat ano, infinite. Joke lang.
Ready? And... Fight! Sorry, just caught at the moment. Kailangan talaga naka Joy-Con ako.
That's my job.
I-unlock ko muna to, then isasara ko na to. Yung stream, ibig ko sabihin. I-unlock tapos isasara mo. Wow, ah. Hunter. Alam mo, of Arsenal Gaming, Mark Louis Carpio, then, sino ba nandito? Matthew C. the second, Marvic Aguilar also. Oh! Hop that game! Oh! Oh, it says you're late.
Nakatakutan talaga ng mga tao. Nakatakutan ng mga tao yung partner niya.
Ay, nako. The gases that can be observed from this tomb. Ah, okay. The more power sources found in the stars, and a hush fell over the area. We blame, hashtag we blame Ot.
We blame Ot. Ako si JK
kasalanan mo pa.
Visit na yan.
Pinanganak na pala.
Na-clear ko na yung game! Yes! I cleared the game for the first time! Oh my God!
Hey, okay, let me introduce myself, Noobim. Yo, what's up guys? Good evening, this is Dan Dice and welcome to the live stream. And I'm playing Resident Evil 3 Nemesis. Thank you for supporting my channel. Yo, home run Oleg.
McNaughty McDouglas, hindi naman McDonald yan eh. Baka pangalan yata ng Polestar yun na ano, nagtrabaho sa McDo dati.
Oh, shit.
Paalala ba si...
Didn't mean like literally in the ass. My God. That is so literal. But yeah, it's good to see you again, Adam. It's good to see you.
Wait. May Twitch siya? Okay, I get it. Since this picture cannot swim. Yo, Ghost in the Show! They just did. And one broke the silence. Yo, Bernisco, thanks for smashing like. Yeah, this is. Oh my God! Wait! Not so fast. Tama nang di sumama si Sherry.
Baka hindi makita yung ano yung save room first production na yun
Mo to eh. Thanks for dropping by another hot days. And I thought defeating Mother Brain finishes the game. I was wrong. Where's that ice flower?
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Request driving ako, Rally.
No! Lagi na dalawa yung kalaban dito na. No!
Kaya na to.
Oo! Kaya kayo mga double crosser kayo.
Let's go. Oh. Yeah! First place!
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. Tuloy na natin. Oh, there it is.
Talking to yourself?
Parang kunyari.
Barry, something must have happened to you. Am I wrong? You sound strange.
Yan, isa sa tatlong yan yung password.
Well, it seems I made you worry, but don't. Maybe I have been a nervous wreck since all of these strange...
That's my job.
I-unlock ko muna to, then isasara ko na to. Yung stream, ibig ko sabihin. Ianak, tapos isasara mo. Wow, ah. Hunter. Alam mo,
My hand being a novelist, it's what I've always wanted that my mother would only tell me have a long way to go. Why did I ever listen to her? But this looks like the end for the great Dario Rosso, novelist extraordinaire, capped up before his prime. Pino, kadiri po siya. Tangin ng colonoscopy.
Lilinisin natin lahat.
The legal treatment.
andito na si Mr. X.
Ayan, may Instagram, ay, ano, TikTok to. Ay, meron na ba tayong TikTok? Teka lang. Kanina na-jumpscare ako ng mga zombie sa meron. Isip na yan. Lagi ako nabibiktima sa jumpscare. And here I am thinking that I'm finally, I thought that I faced the worst in RE2 and then wala kaya atang mic eh.
Oo nga eh. Oo nga, nakapatay by purpose. Yung Ice Empress pala, wala nagtugtog ng game over eh.
Mr. Z.
Okay, moving on. Teka, saan ba ako? Only ko yung first aid. Oh! It's a good thing you have that. Does it contain the DLC? MK9? Wow. Ay, putik! Ay, putik! Ready, set, right!
And to the rest of the people who raided my stream, thank you so much, guys. And also, shout out to Kulay Yellow for also giving me with the sub. Ano, hindi na. Ayoko na magano. Kailangan ko rin ng pahinga. O siya, GG's na ako, sir. Sige, Bebe J. Good night.
Walang iya.
Baby J.
The Big Mouth Galaxy. Nandito na ang mga Zaido.
have a chance.
Canon story, just like sa remake, naiwan din siyang buhay.
This is Delta Force.
Wait. Bago ko i-exit ko tong game, ayoko nang ituloy yung ano. Total, isa lang. There you are! Thanks for the tips sa pipe. Trigger yung choices hanggat di ka kumukuha ng either launcher or fuse.
Ang lakas niya, no? Oh my god. Wait, reset nga na.
Okay. Kailangan na.
Ang lakas niya, no? Ni Onikage.
Nikon J! Come at me! Come at me, Nikon J! Oh.
Wala, report.
Pag nasa stream ko, i-report kita. Pag dumaan. I enjoyed this game. Oh, you have played this before, this Big Punk Queen. And by the way, Ashley, long time no see there.
Yan, igitna mo na lang
sa
yan.
baba na lang tayo.
Ibaba mo pa yung lahat, yung Luisito, Pibertol, gano'n. Ayusin mo na lang. Baba.
Spider-Man. That's whatever a spider can. Did you tamer Blu-ray? Blu-ray daw, sabi ni Crimson Bill.
Yan. What the fuck, ano to? Ew. Mukhang isda. Oh, yung kalaban mo yung Triceratops. Since ship patrol pa or some shit.
Delay yung alert ng raid. Take sana, Derek.
First.
Tangina, di ko talaga maano yung pintuan dito na. Oy! Tangina, di ko makita! Ang laki ng katawan ni Nemesis.
When I saw the uniform, I thought you were another zombie.
Si Dom sasama yan. Who are you? Ayan na yung mason.
Ada Wong.
Oh, ayan si Gory. So I have to say, yes! Ubusin ko na lahat ng flame rounds ko.
Okay. Yung mother. Tato kayo ha. Pusit na yun ang mga aso.
Vegan. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Dante CVP's Bukini page and then this one. Put it to Twitch. You can channel for more awesome games More retro games and
Not bad. I guess I chose the right guy to be my option. At least you always put up a fight. But it's too bad for you, because my master plan is almost...
Dari game eh.
Walang partner sa TOG Galaxy!
Meron!
Wala!
Bigyan kita. May copy ako nun.
Sumaya ang buhay mo, Dandice. Tawagan mo lang si Al Sungot.
Putagin. What? No! Shit! Ang ganda na ng combo ko!
Look! I can see your brother from here. If you ask him how, I'll bet he'll be search for help. And I'm sure he has a lot of them. You should go speak to the right one. I hate this game!
Extraction shooter part ng
Oh my
game.
god.
3 game modes na siya.
For Survivor, hindi ko nga na-clear.
Alam ko
Ito
yan,
pa kaya?
alam ko yung ibig sabihin ng Gaijin. Alam ko yan.
Nemesis
di ba
dito.
yung ginagamit sa mga baby, yung ni...
Hindi, ibang formula naman yan.
Ano, tas bear brand. Ang ina baby formula, no?
Patuwang ito ko, Mike.
Ay, nalayo na.
Not in my case. Blame my controller. Okay. Pwede ko pala pambasag to. You gotta be kidding me. Nasaan to? Oh my god. Lah, dami kong iikutan ah.
I'm not interested in going to...
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Bro, request driving ako rally.
No! Ang ina, dalawa yung kalaban dito na. No!
Ikaw na ba si Mr. X? Ayun na naman yung paborito mo, Orb!
Yung ching ko nandoon, bigay mo na lang ng 50 si nanay. Kasi napuno ako. Ano? Nandito yung 5.
My God! What have I done?
Ko na to ngayon. What the fuck? Come on, man.
Resident Evil.
Pinagkuhan mo. Awit! Pag ako nainis dito, lalabanan ko na.
Tungkod ko. Dalihan mo.
Anak yung Game Shark. Laruin mo yung pating. Laruin mo yung pating. Game Shark.
Pating pa talaga eh.
Oh my god.
Sa gawin bro, letter C na ako.
Ay, ba't tayo?
Di mo na ako bibigyan ng assault rifle. Kailangan infinite ammo muna. Pati si Marvin.
Marvin Mystery.
Oh my god.
Oh, sure. Sama sa rin. Veggie Productions. Mr. Cyper. Huge shoutout, Mr. Cyper77 for a little guide. Si Kuya Den PH. Si Den.
Sorry. Anong comedy titles?
Ano ba yung may dalawang something na nag-uusok? Di ba yun?
Hindi, si
I got a feeling patapos na tong game na to.
Hindi naman talaga talaga. Dumami bigla yung kalaban, ang dadaya ng mga tao. Huwag ka dito mga babae, kaya nga, mga lalaki dapat dito.
Tingnan natin. Okay. Naka-live.
Nearly defenseless. Strip off my power suit. All I had protection was my rather useless emergency pistol. Infiltrating the space pirate mothership, so armed, may have been foolish, but I had no choice.
Wait, if I talk to him, because I'm trying to save these extra lives for the final stage. It's always one time. Oh, wait. Hindi ko nga, sa bagay. Nako, huwag mo laruin yung Sunshine. Hindi lang basta may hilo ka. Nako, napakahirap ng larong yun.
It ruins the build up. ang advice ko sa'yo, Danda, is it's one of the shows na you must not spoil yourself, to be honest.
Okay, that's it.
This is just the beginning.
My God has protected you.
That's what you get for bullying me and that bunny! Yeah. Check ko muna yung mga energy tanks dito. Okay. Anong ko yan sa baba? Galing na ako dyan. Next. Teka.
Isang kwentong pampiling Bali pa ang pipiliin na pero ang sabi nga ay di na pipiliin.
Na-surprise ka, Ot?
Alright. So, bali pupunta na ako doon sa train, no? Lagi naman eh. I guess time for me to go to the train na. Siguro daling ko na rin yung grenade launcher or I don't know.
Just to be sure.
That's the... I unlocked Luigi. I want to play as him. Let's go. Wait.